Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to secure your Apex classes in OmniStudio using the permission checker. If you are working with like cards, integration procedure, OmniScripts or DataRaptor, this is critical to prevent unauthorized access to your Apex logic. Let's talk about what it is. The permission checker is a feature in OmniStudio that limits who can run the Apex class. You can use it to ensure only users with specific profiles or permissions. Let's talk about how to implement it. If you go back to your Salesforce org, you have to go to setup, and if you are on an OmniStudio installed package, then you have to search for Omni interaction configuration. Once you will click on that, you have to click on new Omni interaction configuration, and then you have to type for the permission, the configurations that needs to be added, which is Apex class check. Once you will put this information and set the value to true, now your org or OmniStudio will check if user has access to that particular class on the profile level. Well, if you want to put this on permission set level as well, then you have to add additional configuration named perform advanced check. Now this time, after adding this one, your OmniStudio will also look out that the user who is using the app is also having the access on the profile as well as on the permission set level. But if you are on an Velocity CMT or insurance cloud, then you have to search for custom settings and look out for the journal settings. Over there you will find journal settings, and then you can do the same thing as add new configuration Apex class check, and if you need perform advanced check, then you can add that one as well. Once these configurations are added, test with different users. Unauthorized users should be blocked from calling the classes now. This is especially useful in communication, health, financial clouds where security is non-negotiable. Let me know if this helps in building a secure and best application. Thank you so much.